Good morning, everyone. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And thank you for joining me. I thought today I would take some of the images that I got from an old Sierra magazine and make a glue book background. Not sure if I'll do anything else to this yet, but this guy is a butterfly rancher. She is a Native American, and they are trying to get back access to the Colorado River, I think is what that article was about. And then we've got some wild horses, and then we have the old Native American village down here. I think it was this Navajo, possibly. But anyway, I did not read all the articles. I just cut some of the pictures out, and I'm going to put this plastic behind this page and get gluing. This one's not going to be that hard to, oops, there's more than one page there, to keep in order, I don't think. So, let's get started. I hope you're all doing well. Yesterday was Monday, and our daughter went back home Sunday night. What happens with, we've decided to start doing now is kind of have a more regular schedule of visitation, and so every other weekend Bethany is having a sleepover. Someday it's a 2-day weekend, sometimes it's a 3-day weekend, but and then on the off weeks, we're visiting her at her house and taking her out and hanging out at her house and just taking her out to places that are local to where she lives, which really isn't that far away from where we live. So we're all kind of local, but it is a different little village, so a little town. So I have this. I don't think my page is square. My image is not square, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to overlap a little bit here, I guess. Alright, there we go. I don't want white space showing. You know, I had a big giant scraper that I got from Dollar Tree on Nicole's recommendation, and I can't find it anywhere. I have no idea what happened to it, and it's not this tiny little thing, you know. How many of you lose things that are ridiculous to lose because they're so big? It probably got thrown out somehow. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And then, of course, we have our phone calls every night. So, and then, you know, we sing, and it's working out pretty good, I think. Then this was here. Okay, did I get glue all over that? And the only problem is I get super depressed when I have to bring her back. Even though I know she's loving where she lives, I just wish life could have been different, you know what I mean? She's 26 years old. Well, she'll be 26 in October, but you know, she should be having a different kind of a life. If it hadn't been for a brain tumor, she would be having a very different life. And I think it still gets me after all these years. It's been 24 years, but you know, I see all my other kids getting married, having kids, going to college, getting nice jobs. And I wish that for her too, but it's never going to happen. Although she might get a job someday, but you know, it's not the same, not quite the same life that the other kids have. I am going to trim this off, but at the same time, I'm also relieved that she has a safe place to live for when I'm dead, and it's nearby, so it won't be that difficult for the nearby siblings to visit or have her over for visits. and that kind of thing. Washi tape got on there somehow, and I think we have a little piece over here. So, this way. And I am glad that she, you know, she has fun things that she's doing. Like, one night I called her and she wasn't home because she was out for dinner with her friends, and she called me all excited yesterday early because she was going out to McDonald's with one of her staff. She calls them my staff. I'm going out to McDonald's with April. She's my staff. And they were going to do like a grocery pickup order. So, you know, she's doing fun things, and I love that. And even when she comes home for the visits, she's always happy, and she's always happy to go back. And that's the important thing. She's happy to be here and happy to go back home. She does ask sometimes, you know, why don't I live with you anymore and stuff like that. But she's always happy to go back. In fact, she says, I'll be happy for you to take me back. She misses her, when she's here, she kind of misses her friends at her house, you know what I mean? So, I don't know what else I can do with this, except maybe some words. So, do you think I can find some words? I didn't even know we had wild horses in our... Maybe I can cut this off a little bit and have it fit perfectly there. I didn't know we had wild horses anywhere but like Chincoteague. I think I'm going to cut the dot out right here. There. I'm trying to make it be exactly the same size as this photo. And I'll find that there. Find your adventure. Right? I think that fits pretty well there. Let's get my glue stick back. And so, how have you been? I hope you have been happy. It is not easy battling with depression, let me tell you. I am doing my mammogram today. Isn't that great? Can't wait for that. This says, take in the glory of the great outdoors. I wish it fit exactly there, but it doesn't. But I am going to trim it a little bit. But I think it works with this guy down here with his arms up. You know, he's probably really talking about the butterflies. But still, I think we'll put that right there. I kind of like to cover up the lines in between the pictures with words and cutouts. So let's put that there. What else have we got? I'm sure I have some other words that have something to do with feed your soul. I don't know. I don't think that really fits anywhere here. Oh, horsing around. Unfortunately, I don't like the way that one looks. I'm going to dig through my box and be back. Alright, so I found this one that says foster love for the natural world that lasts a lifetime. And I think I'm going to just go ahead and cut this piece off right here. And we're going to glue that right to the top. Because if I put it on the bottom, I'm covering up even more horses. I didn't realize I covered that one up a little bit. So, I'm wondering if anything else would be appropriate to even put on here. Honestly. Like little pictures? Maybe I could put some little pictures. I found this harmony that I thought might look okay right here, like this. But I'm not sure. And then I found National Treasures, which I am going to put down here. I thought I had another one, but I seem to have put it back in the box, and I don't remember what it said. So, let's go ahead and put this here. And oh, I didn't realize I was off the page there. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, good. And harmony, I'll go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put there. Everyone should be able to live in harmony with nature, right? And with other people. Okay, so we have all of that. I feel like I'm just missing something though, you know? Alright, so I found these two butterflies that I think will look good on here. Now this guy down here is a monarch butterfly rancher, so this would be perfect for that. Put that down here because I don't see anywhere else to put it that wouldn't be off the, you know, I guess I could put it like halfway, but, and then we'll put this one up here. I also found some leaves that I might put down, like falling leaves, you know. And I have ladybugs, but I don't know. Maybe a little ladybug, like right here. Maybe that would be cute. Yeah, that's cute. Actually, move it over just a teensy bit to here. There. It was kind of in there, in between those two. I gotta put some more glue down here. Actually, that butterfly looks so cute. Maybe I'll try another one. A yellow one. Let's see. Would that fit here? Like right there? I think that does look cute. Now, I was thinking about putting one of these on there, but I don't think that would match very well. So, I just found some tiny falling leaves that I thought might look good. Not sure. And they're going to have a white background, so I don't know. This is a little smaller one, maybe. What about this one? How would this look? Like right in the corner. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I like it. Let's put that back. Maybe a green leaf would be better because it's still kind of green here. Not too big though. And certainly not tropical. These are all kind of big. What if I put like a line of a little vine or something like this? Maybe this would look good, like right there. But no, it does not. I don't think it looks good. What about, actually, what if I put this one here like this? Just kind of like this. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I don't think we're gonna do leaves, unfortunately. I don't know. What about this one? Does that look good there? Or here? I don't know. I just don't think the leaves look good. So, I believe I'm going to just add one more butterfly somewhere. I mean, ladybug right here. And I think we're done. This is it. Let me know if you like my layout or if you think I need to add stuff to it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.